As autumn paints our gardens with golden hues, it's time to look ahead. Winter is coming, and preparing your garden now ensures it will thrive when spring returns. Let's walk through the essential steps to get your garden winter ready. Step 1. Clean up your garden beds. Remove dead leaves, spent flowers, and any plant debris. This helps prevent pests and fungal diseases from overwintering. A tidy garden today means a healthier one tomorrow. Step 2. Mulch like a pro. A 2 to 4 inch layer of organic mulch, such as straw, shredded leaves, or wood chips, acts as a warm blanket for your plants. It insulates the roots, prevents frost damage, and enriches the soil for spring. Step 3. Prune wisely. Trim away dead or damaged branches and shape your shrubs. Use clean, sharp tools for the best results. But remember, some plants prefer late winter pruning, so always check their needs first. Step 4. Protect tender plants. Bring potted ones indoors and wrap vulnerable perennials with frostcloth or burlap. Even a simple mulch layer can help shield them from freezing winds and temperatures. Step 5. Test your soil. Autumn is the perfect time to check pH and nutrients. Add compost or manure if needed, giving your garden a strong foundation for the next season. Step 6. Divide and conquer. If your perennials have outgrown their space, divide the root clumps and replant them. This not only rejuvenates older plants, but gives you new ones to enjoy. Step 7. Plant spring blooming bulbs. Tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths all need a chilly winter dormancy. Plant them now, cover with mulch, and you'll be rewarded with vibrant colors in spring. Step 8. Care for your tools. Clean off dirt, sharpen blades, and oil wooden handles. Storing them properly now means they'll be ready and reliable when spring arrives. Step 9. Create a winter garden plan. Reflect on what worked this year, what didn't, and design for next season. Adding evergreens or grasses can bring life to your garden, even in winter. And finally, Step 10. Enjoy the beauty of fall. Take in the crisp air, the warm colors, and the calm of the season. After all, gardening is not only about preparing for tomorrow, but also appreciating today. By preparing now, you're giving your garden the best chance to flourish when spring arrives. Grab your gloves, embrace the season, and start today. Be sure to check out this video for more.